Hi, I'd like to welcome you to Introduction to Classroom Display Technology, Technology Services, Virginia Commonwealth University. We have the mini podium here in most of the smaller classrooms. First, you want to turn the computer on if it's not on already. If the green light is on the front of the computer, wiggle the mouse to bring the image back up to the screen. The computer will take a minute to boot up, and at this point I'd like to mention that it boots up best without your jump drives inserted. Please wait until the computer boots completely before inserting jump drives in the two available ports at the front of every computer. Once the computer is booted up, then we can find VLC media player for DVDs or Microsoft PowerPoint for your PowerPoint presentations. And then we can find the push button control panel and turn the projector on. And then once the projector's warmed up, we pick our source, which in this case will be the PC. Microsoft Office PowerPoint is resident on the computer. And if you have a PowerPoint presentation already prepared, it will open PowerPoint right from there. You can access the internet from the browser of your choice: Firefox, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome. If your presentation has audio, there are volume controls right on the touch panel. If you want to move the screen out of the way to use the whiteboard, there's a screen up and down button on the touch panel. If for some reason the touch control panel has frozen, you can always take the screen up and down with a wall switch that will be located somewhere near the podium. It's a 3-position button, up, stop, down, where you can take the screen out of position, stop it, bring it back. On every technology podium, you'll find a versatile shelf on the side to allow you to put your laptop or other media you may wish to plug into the podium to supplement the onboard computer. These shelves you can put in place by simply lifting them up, and if you want to remove them, 1/3 of the way out you'll find a button at the hinge to release the hinge and bring it back down to get it out of the way. But in this case, I'm going to bring the shelf up because I'd like to plug in my laptop computer to use it to supplement the onboard computer. I find that if I'm running a lot of videos that I have resident on my laptop, that's preferable to me than bringing that many videos on an outboard drive. So what I'm going to do is turn my laptop on. I have a cable here which is VGA male-to-male with an audio stereo 1/8 inch mini. Many laptops will have the D15 VGA jack right on the back. Remember the fat side of the D, and plug it right in, and you're ready to plug in to the laptop port. And since I'm running a Macintosh that has a mini DVI port, I've got an adapter that takes me from VGA to mini DVI. Feel free to call us and discuss interfacing your particular device with our podium. Bring this around to headphone. So that's audio there. Now I'm going to plug this into the podium here and the audio plug into the jack there. Some of the podiums will have a cable living there. Best to check beforehand because frankly the cable might not have survived the night. This computer here automatically senses an outboard port, an outboard display. Often you will have to ask your computer to send a signal. Now, since I've plugged into the laptop port, I need to source laptop. A couple of other inputs that are available, you'll find color-coded AV inputs for digital cameras and other devices. Plug in and simply source your auxiliary. With that, you should be able to do pretty much anything you need to do with the smart podium. If you have any audiovisual questions or want to discuss the use of the mini podiums, please call us directly, Media Support Services, 828-1098.